Today I'm going to show you how to make an origami fox in two different ways. First, you will need a square piece of paper. This paper is 6 inches by 6 inches. To start, tilt your paper sideways, bring the bottom corner up to the top corner and crease. Grab both pieces of the corner and fold it down so the point meets the bottom edge. Crease well. Now, you're going to fold the sides so the crease is up against this line here. It doesn't need to be perfect. Crease and do the same with the other side. Turn it around and there's your fox. He's just missing a face. So grab a marker and add some eyes and a nose and your first fox is finished. For your second fox, you also need a square piece of paper, 6 inches by 6 inches again. Rotate your paper and bring the bottom corner to the top corner. The next step is a little tricky. You're going to fold this down, but not perfectly straight down. Now do the same with the other side. Make sure you crease it well. Flip it over. Now you have your fox face and can grab your marker. Add some ear markings, face markings, eyes, and a nose. And now you have Origami Fox made two different ways.